Hello, my name is Minh. I'm 5 years old. Danger is hot and sunny. Danger is sad. Danger has scissors, rules, and ruler and crayon. But danger don't have a notebook. How? Who can help Ginger? Bye bye.